What in the world? Oh my goodness. I don't think I'm gonna... No, that didn't work either. Woo. Hey guys, welcome back. I am so happy to be back. I haven't been able to film for all month. Just some stuff going on in the house, the family, you know, life. So I haven't been able to film, but I am back. And today I have for you the June Allure beauty box. Okay, is it Allure or Allure? Because I'm probably saying it wrong. I say it both ways actually. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm so excited to do an unboxing. I'm gonna try to do some more makeup videos and get those filmed and up for you. But I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old and they are crazy. Okay, so anyway, this is what the box looks like. They used to have a different one and it had a little bag in it, but they've been doing this for quite a while. So I think this is what they're gonna keep. But it's really sturdy. I use these for other things. You know, you don't have to get rid of it. You can keep it. I store all of my makeup products that I'm not using in them. But anyway, so this is how it looks. Usually it has a red tissue paper, but this month it doesn't, but it feels pretty full. So maybe they didn't have room for it or something. So you get this card, and in it, it tells you why the editors pick it. It will give you a little bit of like a product description and the full size price. So it's nice to have, and you know, it's got a little note from the features director. Isn't she just gorgeous? I love her glasses. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm so excited, and I'm really excited because I see one of my very favorite brands on top. It's Purlisse, or by Purlisse. Make sure you guys can see it. And I love this packaging. The watermelon. I feel like last year watermelon was more of a trend, but it's still around. So this is the watermelon plus charcoal purifying cleanser. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies and energizes. And it's for all skin types. So let's go ahead and see if they give us a little bit of information. So if you don't know, Allure, whatever, is a $15 a month subscription, and you do have to pay tax on that, so it's a little over $16 for me. I don't know if it's different like where you live or anything, but I really think it's worth it. I'm always happy. Last month was it was a different kind of box, so I'll leave that in the description box if you want to see that video. But anyway, let's go ahead and stay on task, on track. So let's see. It strikes the perfect balance between clarifying and soothing. You can see the pore vacuuming charcoal inside this black tinted gel when you squeeze it out of the tube. The watermelon scent is refreshing, not cloying, and it's nothing like watermelon gum. Okay, so the retail price is $18. This is full size. It's 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. I'm so excited to get it open and try it. I have a few of the other, or have tried and have some of the other watermelon products from the Purlisse. I don't think it's like a line or anything, but they just have been doing the watermelon thing. So yeah, it is a really nice size. I'll show you how that looks. You can see it. I'm not a pro at this, like with the lighting and stuff, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a safety seal. I love to see a safety seal. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like that. It smells really good. And okay, so this is the Yensa Super 8 lip oil. Here's the packaging. Okay, so this is the Super 8 lip oil. It's in the shade Pink Shine. It's really pretty. I've never tried a lip oil But every time I go into Ulta and see the Ulta lip oils, I always want to pick one up. I just haven't yet. So I'm excited for this. Oh, wow. It's not wanting to open. Oh, no, it's not pull off. There we go. That's weird. No, maybe not. Oh my goodness. I can't open it. I did just do my makeup. It's like moisturizer in my hand or something. Let me struggle for 5 minutes to open it. Okay, that is not coming off. What in the world? Am I really gonna have to get pliers to hold this? The one time I need a man, he's not around. Or a strong woman. I have a strong woman around. Well, I guess I can't swatch it or try it because I can't get the dang thing open. But, I mean, it looks like it's a good size. It is... Oh man, I think I need glasses. I can't even read it. Does it say on here? Okay, it's 6.8 milliliters. Let's read about it since we can't actually sniff it or anything. Okay, so it quickly dries down to a thin layer on lips without any greasiness or stickiness. It's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers, including vitamin E, coconut, and avocado seed oils. Guys, that's ridiculous. Why won't it open? Okay. Well, it's full size and the price is $28, but I guess it really doesn't matter if you can't use it. Okay, I tried. Okay, so next we have this Active C10 Dermatological Anti-Wrinkle Concentrate. Intensive. Pure Vitamin C. Wow. Okay, so it's made in France, which makes sense because, the first language on there isn't English, which is what we normally see because, we are in America. I mean, I don't know about you guys. If you're from a different country, please let me know because I would love to know that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open this. And this is a sample, a deluxe sample, little baby sample. But vitamin C, I would say this is probably pretty expensive if it's actually pure vitamin C like it says. Okay, yeah, so $49.99 for full size. And I can't see the full size. Okay, well, let's read a little bit. Okay, so this cream absorbs quickly, and unlike some other vitamin C treatments, it doesn't sting. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid and soothes with vitamin E. Okay, and she says, in just a few weeks, it's helped to fade my dark spots and brighten my overall complexion. Alright, so that's cool. I'm interested in trying this. I really like vitamin C products. And I'm not going to open it. Well, I guess I could, since it's for the video. But it's got one of those little safety seals. It's in... Forgive me. I don't know what kind of tube this is. Last month I had a product that was in the same kind of tube. And it's not plastic. It's that... I don't know. Is it tin? Aluminum? Forgive me. Embarrassing myself. Uh-oh. I did that last month. I think if you squish it around, it like shoots it out. Okay, so it spreads out nicely. Like, I didn't have very much on my hand. And so she said it absorbs quickly. Let's see. Yeah, that is already absorbed. I'm gonna go ahead and just use what was left on the outside of the cap. I gotta remember to not squeeze those before I open them. Okay, so moving on. I have seen this so many times. I have so many samples from these people. It's Belief, the True Cream Aqua Balm Aloe Vera. Oh wait, maybe I don't. Oh, I have to get the Aqua Balm moisturizer cream. So maybe this is something different. Okay, I guess I should show you. And it's just one of those ones where you think it's a really nice sample, but you turn it and it's like, meh. Where's the rest of the product? It is cute though. Look at that. A cute little aloe vera plant. Sorry if you can hear my Midwest accent. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so I'll see how it feels. Feels nice. I turned to Believe's new Aqua Balm aloe vera formula and upgrade on the brand's super popular Aqua Balm gel cream. That's the one I always get. That's why I thought that's what this was, because it's in the same packaging, but this part isn't green on the other one. Okay, so it doesn't really have too much of a description other than it's moisturizing. And the full size is $38, so that's cool. Okay, so this looks really awesome. I am so excited. So this is from Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. Capsules. Oh, that's not the right language. That's not the right language either. Anyway, so I guess I don't need to tell you what it is. I'm going to show you. It's nail stickers. And isn't that just so pretty? I watched a video, what's her name? Abadabs? Abby? I didn't watch any spoilers for the Allure because I was getting this one, but I watched one of her Ipsies, and her nails looked so beautiful. I was like, oh my goodness, what salon did you go to? But it was these, because she does Allure too, but I didn't watch her video. It was these nail stickers. Aren't they just so pretty? I don't get my nails done, but rarely, just because I don't want to keep going back to get them done again and again and again. But these are so nice. You'll have to let me know. Maybe I could do a video of me applying them and, running my mouth. Okay, so I'm excited for those. Let's read about them. Okay, Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. The gloss gel strips have lots of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Stick it on cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles, and file off the excess. So it's kind of like those, what were they called? I'm sure everybody was invited to a party on Facebook with those nail stickers. I can't think of what they're called, but I used to get those, and they were really nice. So I'm excited to see if these are better or just as good. It's been a few years, so I'm sure everybody's made their products better in that amount of time. So I'm really excited about those. And the last thing we have in here barely fits in the box. That might be why they didn't have the tissue paper. Okay, it's from Star Skin, 100% Camellia. Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. Go, there's the little thing. Oil. It's really, it's I can't think of what that flower is called. I'm not even going to try. I'm not even going to embarrass myself. I already have. Okay, sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house. But this Star Skin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure camellia seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin, and antioxidants. Okay, this is just telling you how to use it. The 2-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day. Okay, so the full size, this is full size, and it's $10. Did I tell you how much the nail stickers were? No, I didn't. Let me go back and tell you those real quick. So those are only $9. $9, that's awesome. So I might get more. But, I'm not trying to dog this because it could be amazing, but I'm just kind of over sheet masks. I used to love them. I used to do one every day or every other day, but I kind of don't anymore. So I don't know if or when I'll use this. I might just put it in a giveaway. So we'll see. But that's what we got, and this was a really good month. Last month, like I said, was kind of weird just go ahead and go watch my other video if you want to. But it's still good. Allure is really one of my favorite subscriptions. That's why I still get it. I canceled a few for this month just there's a lot going on in my family right now, so I had to cancel a few, but this was a good box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size items in a $15 box. I mean, and then 2 samples, which, I mean, this, for what it is, and I feel like you don't need that much. Like, if you have dark spots, you could just use this as like a spot treatment, and that is pretty good size, you know? So, I am so happy with this. I love Allure. I'm probably saying it wrong. But anyway, so let me know what you think. If you've never tried Allure, I recommend it. It's only $15, and if you think about it, Ipsy Glam Bag is $12, and you can get like 1 or 2 full-size items, but you're not going to get 4 full-size items in Ipsy. Not that Ipsy's bad. I love my Ipsy. I will have those videos up for you soon. I'm supposed to get one Thursday and Saturday, and it's Monday. So we'll see. But anyway, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, like my video, and I hope you'll subscribe. That would make me so happy. And so check out some of my other videos. I just did a video about babebox. If you've been interested in trying that one, I'll leave that linked below. Yeah, it's interesting. Anyway, that's not the point. So yeah, thank you. Sorry if I'm a little weird and all over the place. Like I said, I haven't filmed in a while. I'm excited. No one's home right now, so I'm like free to be me and not have to shush my kids. Okay, I'll stop talking. Thank you for watching. Bye.